Hello Leo, salamat sa pagbalik o salamat sa pagbisita. Kung first time, welcome. Ito po ang inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, Sign, and Venus Love Reading para sa sign ng Leo. Kunin niyo lang po kung ano yung nakarelate kayo, tapos niyo hindi. Kung hindi nakarelate, okay lang yan. Maaaring ang mensahe sa susunod na upload ang siyang nakarelate tayo. So, subscribe lamang po para maabutan nyo ang next sa pag-upload. Otherwise, stick around kasi naniniwala ako may dahilan kung ba't tayo napadpad dito. Maaring sa deck na ito ang mensahe, ito ang inyong core energy. Halos lahat, alam mo, nakuha ito. Hangman na reversed. Ano to? Refusal to see the other perspective. Kung kaaway mo ang partner mo, you don't want to see the other perspective, o pwede din naman na may hinihintay ka na sagot na gusto mong marinig. Pwedeng ganun. Lahat ay parang stuck ngayon into something na parang stuck sa isang mindset na o parang may pinanghahawakan na katotohanan na hindi naman yun yung truth ng kabila. Pwedeng ganun. Halos lahat nakuha yan. Ikaw lang yung nakakuha niyan ng core energy pa. So, something doesn't feel right and you are not at peace with that thing. Parang gusto mong ma-solve na, nangangati ka ng isolve yan ngayon. Sige, iwan mo natin dyan. Para sa gitna. Core energy. Anyway, as I was saying sa spills ko, may mga dahilan kung ba't tayo napadpad dito. Pwedeng sa deck na yan, lalo na doon sa oracle deck, kasi yun yung message na parang advice sa universe, na universal sa lahat, regardless of the, sorry natin, marami yun, regardless of the narrative na makukuha natin dito sa deck na ito. Excuse me. Codependence. In denial ka ba na addicted ka sa isang tao? Or pwede din codependent, nasa isang unhealthy relationship. Pwede din na Capricorn ang iyong karelasyon. The devil speaks of yung parang temptation. Kung hindi toxicity. Kung hindi yung parang hindi mo kayang mabuhay nang wala yung partner mo. Wala kang life other than your partner. And pwedeng, I'm sorry Leo, pero pwedeng ikaw yung nag-a-assert ng control over your partner. Gusto mo nandyan lang siya. Clingy, kumbaga. You refuse to see yung reasons nila, kung bakit gusto nilang lumabas with their friends, pwedeng ganun, o whatever the reason is. Halos lahat din nakuha to, Hierophant. Tapos maraming nakakuha ng Magician. Queen of Wands, I feel like ikaw to. Pero hindi masyadong nag-a-align siya dun sa sinasabi ko na pwedeng ikaw yung source of the parang clingy, kumbaga. Clingy or source of hindi ka pwedeng umalis, dito ka lang sa bahay, o kaya hindi ka pwedeng gumawa na ganito, hindi ka pwedeng makapag-meet sa friends mo. What's wrong, Leo? What's happening? Queen of Wands, ang energy nito, queen pero not really, kasi if you're a queen, you know what you want in life and you are independent, and then hindi ka codependent, independent ka. Reverse mo siya nakuha. So, pwedeng you are asserting control over your partner. I'm sorry, Leo, pero yun ang sabi ng cards. If it doesn't resonate with you, that's okay. Maaaring meron pang mga messages under this ang makaka-relate ka. Pero kung hindi talaga at ayaw mo ang iyong naririnig, marami namang ibang readers. So, feel free na not stick around. Pero this is what the card is telling you. So, maaaring hindi siya para sa'yo. Merong ibang Leo dyan, over there, na nag-assert siya ng power over the partner. Parang gusto niya na, she feels like a queen, or he feels like a king, na you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to stay at home, I want to express myself, ganito lang talaga akong tao, pero hindi mo napapansin na ikaw ay nag-a-assert na ng control, o sinasakal mo na, for the lack of a better term, sinasakal mo na yun ng devil, sinasakal mo na yung partner mo. Hindi ka aware siguro. Some people might agree kung cross-watcher ka, pero syempre, wala namang aamin na siya yung amo. feeling amo dun sa relationship, dominant, very dominant. Curious ako dito kasi something is parang brewing. Brewing as in kape, coffee brew. Merong parang sinisimulan, pinaplano, gustong gawin. Ooh, nice! Well, this is nice to have. Pero sana, pwede kasing yung iba sa inyo magpo-propose na sa partner nila. And they feel so happy, emotionally contented with the partner. Pero it takes two to tango. Sana, if you feel so contented with this love situation, sana it's a two-way street. Sana yung partner mo din ay happy with your proposal. And hindi sila parang makukulong na wala na lang silang choice kundi umuo dun sa proposal mo kung ikaw ay magpo-propose na. Pwede din kasi na you're taking it slow o pwede din naman na Christian ka and very extreme to pero yun yung pumasok sa isip ko eh. Gusto mo na ng consummate si partner. Google mo na lang kung hindi mo alam yung consummate. And you're going the route of marriage para magawa yon. Pero truth is, hindi naman ikaw lang yung ikaw lang yung satisfied dito sa relationship na to. Hindi siya two-way street. Ito wedding to, oh. Pero I'm sorry pero I can't help but pick up yung energy na it's a toxic partnership and it's a one-way street and somebody is asserting dominance over the other. And for some reason, ikaw yung nabipick up ko na energy na asserting dominance. Kasi Queen of Wands, ikaw to eh. Ang Queen of Wands, upright nga, yung sinabi ko kanina, independent thinker, independent na hindi siya nakaasa sa partner niya para kumilos, hindi siya nagmamanipula ng mga sitwasyon para umayon sa kanyang kagustuhan. Pero having that in reverse is medyo meron tayong naglagay ka ng leash sa partner mo, trying to control yung partner's actions. Pwede kasi na mas bata siya sa'yo, and you're asserting authority over that person. Actually, energies could be interchangeable din. Pwedeng yung partner mo yon nag-assert ng control. Pero honestly, I don't feel like may makakakontrol kay Leo. Very confident si Leo. Very confident ka. And hindi ka basta-basta nakokontrol. Well, may isa sa inyo ang napanghihinaan ng loob. Alam mo, ikaw nga to eh, strength. Ang unang pumasok sa isip ko ay insecurities. Siguro, natatakot ka na gusto mo nang i-lock, kumbaga, gusto mo nang i-seal yung deal, gusto mo nang mag-propose kasi ayaw mo nang pakawalan yung iniibig mo ngayon. Ayaw mo na siyang pakawalan. And you want to celebrate. Pero for some reason, I don't know, hindi mo ma-tame yung aspect of yourself na dark. Well, lahat naman tayo may dark side. Which could also mean na negative aspects of ourselves. And hindi mo sometimes makontrol yun. Pero, gusto mo nang tumuloy at mag-offer na ng ask their hand for marriage, parang ganon. Kasi ayaw mo na silang pakawalan. May bagong ganap na mangyayari. I don't know, maybe yan yung wedding. O may bagong sisimulan. May mamamanifest kayo as a couple. Hindi ko alam kung bagong business yan. Pwedeng relocation. O pwedeng maiisip nyo na settle overseas. Pwedeng ganon. Manifest nyo siya. merong isa sa inyo, pwedeng hindi kasundo yung friends ng isa, trying to prove themselves sa, ito ang exciting, trying to prove themselves sa friends ng isa. I don't know kung partner mo yon, they've been trying so hard para, hindi naman sa ma-please, pero it's more of, there's a traditional household or family, isa sa inyo. And the other party wants to please, hindi please wants na, gusto makisama. They're trying their best na makisama. Pero for some reason, pwedeng yung pakikisama na yan sa grupo na yan, yung family mo nga, pwedeng very traditional, ay hindi sang-ayon doon sa, how they would, how they should get along with their family is not aligned dun sa um, way nila on how to get along. Example, example lang to yung family mo mahilig mag-travel, o kaya mahilig mag-church every Sunday, or merong, I don't know, may worship na kailangan ng socialization, pero hindi yun aligned sa how they want to adjust or to get along with your family kasi pwedeng introverted sila. Pwedeng, ano sila, agnostic sila, yung ganon. They want to try their best to parang to belong or makisama, pero for some reason, they feel like they're proving themselves na hindi naman kailangan in a loving relationship. Pwedeng ganun. Pwedeng ikaw naman yung nakakaranas nun. Energies could be interchangeable nga. Now, I see this as very exciting itong dalawang to. Kasi Nine of Cups, that is emotional satisfaction. Di ba ang sabi ko kanina, pwedeng it could be one way lang. You might want to ask yung partner mo kung, lalo na kung magpo-propose ka, you might want to ask him or her kung ready ba sila or they really want it. Is there something na they want you to, I don't think gagawin mo yun, pero baka makatulong kasi kung nararamdaman mo rin naman na hindi siya same level ng elation or kilig as you. Kasi yung Six of Cups dito, pwedeng you have this illusion na everything is perfect, everything is well. Pero hindi na amin sa'yo ng partner mo na meron siyang pinagdadaanan and parang hesitant siya, may reservation siya sa pagpapakasal or pagsisettle down or sa pagsagot kung naliligaw ka pa lang. Yung ganun. Kasi you have this, pwedeng meron kang way para mapapa-oo na lang yung tao. Sobrang charming mo eh. Mapapa-oo na lang yung tao, pero hindi mo naiisip na napa-oo lang sila and hindi bukal sa kalooban nila na hindi bukal sa kalooban nila na umoo sa'yo. Alam mo yun? I'm sorry, Leo, pero yun. You could be sobrang dominant na hindi na makahindi sa'yo, or may paraan ka para oo na lang sila, you get your way. You get your way all the time, and if you are getting to serious celebration, marriage, ganyan, you might want to address yung or come into a heartfelt conversation with your partner to see na yung illusion mo na everything is well is totoo nga. Yung ganun. Kasi ang core energy mo, this is a refusal to see the other perspective or not seeing the other perspective. Meron ka pang hindi nakikita na pwedeng hindi nila ina-address sa'yo. So, pwede kasi na aabot pa yan sa away, mag-aaway pa kayo kasi parang ikaw, bakit hindi mo sinabi sa akin, ganyan, yan. Pero totoo, natatakot sila magsabi sa'yo. Pwede din naman na ikaw yung natatakot na natatakot na mag-engage dun sa heartfelt conversation kasi nga baka may marinig ka na hindi ka ready na tanggapin and hindi ka ready masaktan sa ngayon kasi alam mo na okay kayo. Bakit ako makikinig sa tarot reader na yan? Pero yun, you might want to look into this codependent setup. Codependent, hindi independent. Codependent yung parang gusto mo kasama mo siya lagi, hindi mo kaya mabuhay ng wala kang life on your own, very clingy, yan yung mga manifestation ng codependent. Parang gagawin mo ang lahat ng paraan para, halimbawa, gusto mo siya makasama today, pero hindi siya free, hindi siya makahindi sa'yo. So, sasabihin mo, ililibre na lang kita, ilibre kita, o kaya i-date kita, ilalabas kita, para lang sumama siya sa'yo. That's a form of that's a form of control, that's a form of manipulation, whether you like it or not. Kasi parang hindi tayo open doon sa pag hindi nila. Parang I don't take no as an answer. Ganyan ka, Leo. Kung hindi ikaw yun, baka ibang Leo yun. Pero yeah, yun yung energy na napipick up ko dito. Pero ang bright side doon, there's something that you would plan. There's something new happening. May magkakaroon kayo ng parang may spark na mabubuhay. Spark na yun, it could mean a new project, collaboration, mamamanifest nyo yun. Kasi you have everything that you need to make that happen. It could be yun nga yung wedding. It could be, I don't know, new family o kaya uh, new baby on the way, pwedeng new asset, bahay, ganun. Pwede din naman na makakaalis na kayo sa kanya-kanya yung, hindi na kayo titira sa parents nyo kasi nakakabili kayo ng bahay, yung ganyan. Pwede din naman magre-relocate, mag-overseas, sa inyo magtatrabaho overseas. Merong hindi equal yung power relations. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Hindi din equal yung bawa ikaw, very confident ka na eh, mag-take ng risk o mag-take ng leap of faith. Yung partner mo, medyo hesitant pa siya, pero hindi niya sasabihin sa'yo. Oo lang siya kasi Leo doesn't take no for an answer. Lamentation, nako. That card is lamentation. Ano yung something sacred sa'yo, pwedeng mawawala ng isang iglap, o pwede din naman na healing yan. Pwede din naman yung kawalan ng lakas ng loob, o pwede din naman na yung illusions of grandeur, or parang confidence, nuknukan ng confidence, and I got this covered, okay kami, perfect kami, walang issue sa amin dalawa. Pwedeng that is coming from a place of parang fear na mangyari ulit yung nangyari sa mga previous relationships, hindi pa fully healed. Pwede din na kailangan pang i-heal ang ewan ko, childhood trauma, pwedeng ganyan. Kailangan pang i-heal yung mga dati na nagwasak sa'yo, kaya ka ganyan, somebody broke you, parang ganun. Sorry, Leo, pero yun yung, yun yung na-pick up ko doon sa cards mo. You must deal with whatever has been gone, or yung taken away from you. Merong isa sa inyo na dealing with traumatic experience na hindi pa siya nare-resolve, or hindi pa siya napoproseso hanggang sa ngayon. And this is an advice for you to deal with it. Lalo na kung magpo-propose ka ng kasal, deal with it kasi you may be living or looking at it in rose-tinted glasses. Akala mo perfect ang lahat, pero meron pa palang kailangang healing na pagdaanan. So, yun. Iwan ko na yun doon, Leo. Like, share, subscribe lang po, and sana maabutan ko kayo sa susunod na buwan. kahit hindi ganun ka okay yung reading mo ngayon. I mean, parang against you kasi eh. Parang naglalabas sa mga dark mo eh. Pero, sana makita pa rin kita next time. And, like, share, subscribe lang po. And, hope to see you soon. Ako po si A. See you soon. Bye-bye.